Noon pa. Nasa ba? Sige ka.
Good morning. I want to share to you about the importance of how to become a marketer in our society today. So I've been studying this for 3 decades and I found out that being a marketer is very important in this society. Like, for example, what is a marketer? People think that a marketer is like having a salesperson or become a sales, a person who does selling. So that is the wrong conception, wrong concept of a marketer. Or they think that a marketer is a marketing person. So I will share to you what is a marketer. So a marketer is a person who build and create market. So I've shared it in my videos in Facebook. Like, for example, a marketer is a person that does build a public market, a shopping mall, and an online market. So who are the real or the true and real marketer? The true and real marketer are the people who build market that buying and selling is present. So now I will share to you what is a mind of a sales people, or what is a sales people understanding about selling. So this is how sales people understanding about selling. I've been through this because I've been a salesperson and begin with my childhood until today. I've been doing selling. So sales people think that selling is a source of income. Second, job that can provide needs, wants, and comfort. So selling to them is a job that can provide needs. So this is the things that I think before. Knowing the selling word and talking part of selling. So we want to, as a salesperson, we want to know the selling word and the talking part of the selling. So we just focus on the how to work on selling and how to talk about selling. And also do the company orders and instruction on doing selling. So that is how salespeople think on selling. So why you think as a marketer if you are a salespeople? So that is very wrong concept of a marketer. So marketing people, what does marketing people thinks on selling? Marketing people thinks on selling is doing, studying about the scientific part of selling, like creating a promotional design, the advertising strategies, the branding, the color, and all part of a marketing platform. They will study about it, but a marketer is different. They will combine, they will think ahead of time. They will, for example, they will find ways how to produce a market where selling and buying is present. So, how does marketing, how does a marketer is very important in order to become a very successful person? Like Jeff Bezos, he built Amazon, Jack Ma built Alibaba because they have a vision of how to build a market. They plan, they think, they build because they have a vision that those things will be useful in the future. And look at today, Alibaba and Amazon, how those things become huge. So those are the things that you need to think. So I've written the book How to Become a Marketer because I want to share to you the things that will help you become successful. So I want to share to you what are the principles of a marketer. So this is some example of the principles a marketer has. If you have this, then you can develop your plan in the future. A marketer must be an imaginative person. Why you must be an imaginative person in order to become a marketer? You need it because you need to imagine the things that will happen in the future or will be needed in the future. Imagine how those things happen in the future, in the present, and in the past. Knows the principle of organizer. Why a marketer needs this kind of principle in being an organizer. You need to organize your thoughts, your imagination, your dreams, and organize the people that will help you to make your goal, your market goals, your dream goals will be present. You need to help them understand your dream, your vision. And a marketer must be a visionary. Why? Because visionary people are people who has the clear vision of the things they wanted to happen in the future. And a marketer must be a goal-driven person. Why? Because a goal-driven person is a person who will make their dream come true in the time being. Knows the importance of flexibility. Why a marketer need to know the importance of flexibility? You need to be flexible in order to answer the struggles of building your dream market. Knows have patience. You need to have patience on yourself, on the people that help you, and to the things that you wanted to build in the future. Like you want to build a new kind of market, then have patience on it. Be consistent in doing it. Know the importance of dedication. You need to have a dedication. You need to dedicate yourself in order to have a in order to make your dream come true. Being sensitive to the people surround you and to the things that will happen, and must be a doer. Wala na.